How do you think they make a green Kool-Aid?
Blue.
Blue. What colors make green?
Blue.
And what?
Purple.
Blue and purple make green?
No.
What makes green? Blue and what? Look, I see the word blue back here. What other words back here?
Yellow.
Yellow. This says there's blue and yellow dye in here. Should we look and see if we can see those dyes by separating them on a filter using water
Yeah.
as our solvent? That's going to be the liquid that resolves the dyes. What about orange?
Yeah, let's do orange.
What kind of colors do you think are going to be in orange?
Yellow and
Yellow.
green.
And green. How about yellow and what's that one? Red.
Red.
Red. What about the grape? It's purple color.
Blue and red.
Ooh. All right. Well, let's see. Let's take each of these, okay, and we're gonna put a little bit. Can you open yours?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh.
There you go. And we're gonna pour a little bit at the bottom.
Oh. I fell.
Okay. Well, that's plenty.
That's a lot.
Okay, now keep that in front there. Keep this one in front
This
here.
smells kind of weird.
And then we'll do one
I
more.
wanna do that.
Okay, it's Kool-Aid. And then pour a little bit of water.
Well, why do you think it's not
Oh.
good? Why do you think it's not good?
Oh, you gotta put some in there.
Oh, this one smells like lime.
It is lime. Oh,
Oh,
careful.
why does this one look?
That's the grape.
Why does this one look blackish?
It's purple.
But why does it look blackish?
It's a dark purple. All right, now we're gonna use some
This
pencils.
one doesn't taste good. This one doesn't smell
The
good.
lemon lime doesn't taste good? Well, we're not gonna
Smell
taste them.
good. Yeah, those are
And
really
what we're gonna do, Henry, is tape the filter.
Yeah. Why do you don't like these? Why do you
Onto-
don't like these?
Ready? You
Grandma.
just want to have it long enough to dip into the water, okay?
I want to dip it.
Yes, put that in.
Look. It's like
Perfect. Now be careful. We're gonna let it come up.
Yeah.
Don't poke on that. Now you just gotta let it sit, Henry. And the dyes are going to be resolved.
Yo, whoa.
Okay, ready? Now the grape one will be like this. Want to put this one in the grape?
Yeah. Oh my God, that's turning purple already.
Yeah, and look, what other color do you see coming up?
Oh, red. I see red too.
What about this one? Want to put this one in?
Yeah.
Oh, there you go. All right, so now we just let them sit.
Oh,
And
that
we
one's already
watched-
growing up.
Yeah, we watched the dyes travel. Okay, so it's been a while. Let's see how these look, Henry.
Okay, look what happened.
Look at that. Whoa!
Oh, again?
Whoa, look at that though. Look at, you can really see the difference. So this is the yellow one. That was orange originally, right?
And look at this one.
So hold on. Whoa, look at that. You can really see the two colors, huh?
Yeah.
What color's on the bottom here?
Red.
The red, and what color's on the top?
Blue, my favorite color.
The blue, right. And that was the purple, right? So this was the orange. Okay.
That doesn't work very well.
This one, no, not really. This one was the purple. And then let's look at the green.
Oh, it's green and blue.
Except, yeah, green and blue and kind of yellowish, but you really resolved the blue, right?
Let's just take
Away from the
this
yellow.
out. Let's just take this out.
Yeah, and so that's the green one here. Nice. Okay, so we'll keep these.
Why did you put a 6 there?
I didn't. I put that's my G for green.
It doesn't look like a G. It looks like a. It doesn't look
Okay,
like
well,
a G.
Grandma doesn't have the best handwriting. All right, So, who did you have a fun time doing this with?
My grandma!
Awesome. And look, do you want to hold this up for me? Look at that.
All right, kids.
Pretty cool. That's what's in your Kool-Aid.
Yeah!
That's how it gets the color.
Yeah!
Cool.
Kids, have you seen our first video? Have you seen the rest of our videos? It was kind of hard. Bye, kids. If you like more,